Hi everyone. Here are 10 English vocabulary words for your daily conversation. Look at the first sentence. He behaves like he thinks he is better than everyone else. Behaves like he thinks he is better than everyone. Agandai konda. What is the word that you can use instead of the underlined phrase? Arrogant. He is arrogant. Number 2. She only cares about herself and ignores others. Only cares about herself and ignores others. Suyanalamana. The word you can use instead of this is selfish. She's selfish. Next one. He does not like to work hard or make effort. Somberi does not like to work hard or make effort. What is the word you can use instead of this phrase? Indolent. He is indolent. Next, she refuses to change her opinion even when she is wrong. Pidivadamana. Refuses to change her opinion even when she is wrong. Stubborn. She is stubborn. He cannot wait calmly for even a short time. Cannot wait calmly for even a short time. Porumayatra. You can use the word impatient. He is impatient. See the next sentence. She keeps changing her mood very often. Keeps changing her mood very often. சீக்கிரமாக மனநிலை மாறிக்கொண்டிருக்கும். Use the word moody. She is moody. Next one. He does not take his duties seriously. Does not take his duties seriously. பொறுப்பில்லாத. Use the word irresponsible. He is irresponsible. Next sentence. The comment was not caring about other people's feelings. Not caring about other people's feelings. பிறரோட உணர்ச்சிகளை மதிக்காத. The word is insensitive. The comment was insensitive. Next one. She felt unhappy because someone else was more successful. Unhappy because someone else was more successful. அடுத்தவர் மீது பொறாமை கொண்ட. Jealous. She felt jealous. Last one. It is not polite to interrupt others while they are speaking. Not polite. மரியாதையற்ற செயல். The word is rude. It is rude to interrupt others. Use all these 10 words in your daily conversations. Let's meet again.